Hey guys, Sean here from Tested Family. I just received a pretty exciting email here from Ego. They just announced their new Z6 full battery powered zero turn riding lawnmower. Pretty excited about this. Let's check out the email, the information they released on their website, and scan through a couple YouTube videos they also released talking about the new Z6. Here we go. All right, here's that email from Ego. Take a look at this beauty. Wow. Scrolling down here a little bit, the Z6, power like no other. That's a coined phrase there from Ego. Really love their products. We own the Self-Propelled 21-inch mower, and we also own the backpack blower. Love both of those products, and pretty excited here about the Ego Power Plus 42-inch. So double the width of our current mower. Let's take a little deeper look into it here. Looks they have a big battery bank here with this mower. Here's a view of 4 of the 56-volt batteries all plugged in together. Peak power plus technology, 22 horsepower equivalent. And of course, Ego is the #1 rated battery powered platform. Ego is calling for 2 acres of cut per charge. Now I only have a 1/4 acre, but I would be pretty excited to have a mower like this. Currently takes us about an hour to cut that with the push mower. Hey, wouldn't it be awesome to have something like this and finish cutting the lawn in half the time, or maybe even a third or a 1/4 of the time? Okay, here is the website. It says coming soon. Z6 again, power like no other. Scrolling down again, 42 inches. There's a 360-degree interactive view. We'll see if that works out well here. I can hover over certain points. 360-degree illumination. That's pretty neat. I love these LED lights on this. It says there are 32 high-intensity LED lights that illuminate the driver's view for 360-degree visibility in challenging light conditions. We can toggle the lights on and off. There they are, off and on. And we've got the mower spinning around here. What are some other features? Zooming in, 22 horsepower equivalent, 4 high-efficiency brushless motors. Look at this, we get a nice spin around of the fully customizable intuitive LCD interface for complete customization of the mowing experience, including 3 driving modes. There's a standard for everyday use, control for protecting turf, and sport for precision cuts around sharp turns. Mower engine on. Mower engine off. Let's see what that does here. Keys going in and out. Okay, we turned it on and we can see the screen light up here. Pretty neat. Unmatched comfort. Superior convenience. Industry's fast charger. I'm interested in that. Let's take a look at that. 4 times faster than the competitors. The 1600-watt charger simultaneously charges up to 6 batteries when plugged into the Z6. In just 2 hours, a depleted 40 amp hour can be fully recharged, unmatched by any other ZTR on the market. Pretty neat, look at that. Looks like there's a separate unit you attach to your wall, plugs into 110, and then you plug that into your mower. Let's take a look at the bank of batteries. Platform compatible. So powered by all Ego 56-volt ARC lithium batteries. All of Ego's leading 56-volt batteries power all 50 plus tools in the Power Plus platform. So the same battery I use for my push mower or backpack blower I could use in this zero turn mower. Alright, scrolling down a little further, we see a little close-up view of the batteries plugged into the battery bank. And again, we have a picture of this guy here mowing his lawn. I'm sure that's quite the experience. Note that we don't see any ear protection because I'm sure it's quite a quiet ride and speeds of up to 8 miles per hour. Cuts acres of grass without the gas, 2 acres cut per charge. And here's some information about the LCD interface for complete customization. The adjustable hydraulic suspension seat gives you a smooth ride guaranteed no matter the terrain. Those look pretty plush. Full product details. And it says coming soon. There's a number of pictures here on the website. Another 360-degree view. Pretty neat looking mower. I'm pretty excited about this. We'll spin it around here. There's a picture of it with the lights on. There's sunset. Another picture with the lights on. Technology. There's a picture of the breakdown of the batteries. Pretty neat. Looks like there's 2 separate banks of batteries that are in each of the 56-volt batteries. Now we're going to go to YouTube, and we can see here that Ego has a number of videos published, short videos with more information on the Z6. This first one here says how to customize cut and experience on the Ego Z6. There's another video, how to install the bagger, how to start the Ego Z6. 42-inch Z6 zero-turn riding mower product. How to level the deck. How to reset the system. How to calibrate the lap bars. How to remove the deck and change the blades. So just about anything you may want to know about the Ego Z6 you can find here on their website or on these awesome YouTube videos. How to use the wash port to clean the deck. How to steering and brake controls. Well, like I said, I'm pretty excited about this product. I'd love to be able to get a chance to do a test drive on it. So if you're out there, Ego, and you hear me, definitely leave us a message, and would love to get back to you doing a product review and test of this. Otherwise, we'll look for more information coming out of Ego through email and through their website. So thanks for watching.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you really enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to Tesla Family Channel here on YouTube. We really appreciate all of our subscribers and everyone who watches our videos. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you soon. Check out all of our other videos as well. Also, follow us on Twitter at Tesla Family Chan. Use my referral code to buy a new Tesla and you will get 1,000 free supercharging miles. Or if you use my referral code to buy Tesla solar roof or solar panels, you'll get a $100 reward after system activation.